back to my channel Zara'S Paper Play. So today I am going to unbox my touchcool marker set of 80 pieces. So here is our package, and if you want to buy this same package, this same set, so link is in the description box, so you can buy the same set from the link. So now let's open this package. So here I am using a cutter. Guys, be safe while using this stationary cutter because it's too sharp and round. First remove this label, then cut the package. I'm in the plastic bag. So now cut this package. Looks so colorful. I really love these shades so much. There are many pastel colors also. Look at these pastel shades. Wow. Let's see. So in the body you can see it's written touchcool markers, and these are double-headed markers. So now let's see one by one. It's so amazing. I really love it. Now first remove all the markers from the bag to my table. So now let's test them. Here is my new cat. So cute. I also have a set of 30 touchcool markers, and it's a gift. One of my family member gifted me, and they are all the basic colors. But I will buy 80 pieces because there are more color options. Let's test them and see that they all are working or not. So here is our first marker. They are double-headed markers. One is fine tip and other one is broad tip. So now let's test them on paper. So first I will test broad tip, then fine tip. They both are working very well. So now write the number of this marker. So here I am writing number with the help of eyeliner. Now let's test all the markers one by one. The broad tip of this marker is not working and the fine tip of this marker work a little bit but not that much. But I really love the other shades, they are working very well. The bag of this marker is really high in quality and I really love the bag. So now let's put all the markers on the bag one by one. So guys, if you want to buy these markers, I will surely recommend you this marker. They all really very well. I already used them and link is in the description box. So if you want to buy this marker, you can buy from the link. And here is my old one. I use it a lot and they all are superb. So that's why I bought 80 pieces. So guys, if you like this review, so make sure to like this video, and if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell, and also share my video with your friends and family. And what you want to see next, write in the comment section. I will read and reply you all. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.